Mga classmates, Jesus emphasizes that marriage is a sacred, lifelong union ordained by God. He clarifies that divorce was allowed under Mosaic law because of human hard-heartedness. But it was never God's intention. Jesus provides an exception for divorce in cases of sexual immorality, as is stated in Matthew 19, verse 9. Jesus acknowledges that celibacy is a calling for some, but not all, and each person must live according to the gifts and calling given by God. This is the reason, mga classmates, why Matthew 19 verse 9 became a controversial verse as it has been used to debate the grounds for divorce. The prohibition of remarriage except under specific conditions has caused theological divisions. Some Christian denominations interpret this to mean that remarriage is only permissible if the original marriage ended due to infidelity, while others are more lenient. Truth to be told, mga classmates, after 21 years of being married, I got annulled in 2023 before I accepted the grace of God's salvation. And I am glad I got annulled before God gave me the blessing to receive His gift of salvation. Otherwise, this issue would have been very difficult for me. I guess God is so gracious that His timing is always what's best for us. That's why this issue is a conundrum to me. Mga classmates, I used to be pro-divorce. But when I surrendered my life to the Lord, I would prefer that divorce law not be passed in our country. Instead, what can be done is improving the cost and process of annulment if all solutions fail and providing stricter laws for child support.